I can see the end of the track!
The nitrox boost isn't enough. They have to go even faster. There's only one way. Nolo, Torque, you have to draft together. It's the only way to get more speed.
Yeah, you can stay behind me, Nolo. When you tackle draft along.
Nolo, what are you doing?
Watch me!
Come on, draft with me, Torque. Nobody tells Wild what to do.
What's going on? What's happening?
They didn't make it long enough.
Your head is next.
Trying to take my place. You wanna be the leader now, little bro?
I don't know, man. Being leader sounds like a heavy load, man.
It's like taking a curve, bro. It's not so hard finding the right line. The hard part is staying in it. Just remember, Nolo. Stay in the groove.
You got the groove, Torque.
No! Listen to me! You have to wait for another car to draft with!
If he waits, the drones will win.